Shopping for a blender in 2020 is much different than searching for one a couple of years ago. The technology advanced so much that now we have so much to choose from, which is both good and bad. The bad thing is that we usually spend too much time browsing and comparing two models that essentially offer the same benefits. The good thing is that this diversity allows premium quality models to stand out from mediocre ones. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best deals. Now let's get straight into it. The first blender on our list is Oster's My Blend 250 watt blender. In a nutshell, it's a very basic budget blender that comes supplied with simple, straightforward features. First of all, its dimensions measure 15.25 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches. Oster's My Blend is pretty compact and it takes up the least bit of counter space possible. Furthermore, it only weighs a pound, so it's absolutely perfect for travel as well. It's completely dishwasher safe, and it's actually pretty powerful as well. It rocks 250 watts, which puts it in virtually the same basket as certain more expensive models. Speaking of expensive, Oster's My Blend is one of the cheapest models that actually have some quality to offer. It features a built-in resettable fuse that is its main security feature. Basically, the fuse acts as a failsafe that will keep the motor running for an additional 15 minutes in case it overheats. One of the best things about this blender is its slim profile. Apart from being light, it's actually small enough to fit practically anywhere, be it a backpack, luggage, or a small rucksack. Due to the fact that it doesn't really have a lot of exquisite, complex features, it's pretty easy to use. Moreover, it's an ideal choice for making smoothies or milkshakes quickly. However, this could be potentially perceived as a downfall of sorts, as your blending options will be fairly limited. What we really found as surprising is that it's actually pretty durable as well. Most people who have used it claim that they've been able to enjoy it for years without any hints of wear. Given the fact that most budget blender models die out within a couple of months, Oster's My Blend has a lot to offer in terms of longevity and durability. Overall, Oster's BLS TPB WPK My Blend works exactly as it should. It packs a 250 watt punch, it's remarkably simple to use, and its rock bottom price tag more than makes up for the small bumps in the road. Next up is the NutriBullet NBR 1201, which is our top pick for the budget section. Even though it's a decently cheap blender, there are worlds of differences between the NBR 1201 and most budget blenders. Its dimensions measure 12.87 inches by 9 inches by 13 inches, and it weighs approximately 7.40 pounds. Although it's significantly heavier than our previous pick, it's still pretty lightweight and portable. First and foremost, the NBR 1201 NutriBullet packs a robust 600 watt motor. It's capable of making high quality smoothies, shakes, and drinks much faster than an average blender because of it. Moreover, the motor is quite silent, so you don't have to worry about waking up your housemates if you feel like fixing up a smoothie first thing in the morning. It also packs exquisitely refined nutrient extraction blades that are capable of drawing as many healthy nutrients from all types of food as possible, be it whole foods, vegetables, or fruits. Not only are they razor sharp, but they're also designed in such a way that they are very easy to clean. The NutriBullet NBR 1201 actually comes in a package comprised of the blender itself, a set of extractor blades, a milling blade, the resealable Stay Fresh lids, and a variety of cups for your favorite shakes. Furthermore, this blender packs the unique cyclonic action technology that allows it to handle even the toughest ingredients. You can literally prepare healthy dishes with nothing but whole foods if you'd want to. The maintenance process should also be pretty straightforward. All you have to do is twist the extractor blade off and rinse it with some water and soap. The NutriBullet NBR 1201 is dishwasher safe, but so are all the complementary features and accessories the bundle comes supplied with. Lastly, the NBR 1201 is made of robust polycarbonate material. Although it's not the sturdiest blender available on the market, it will certainly survive a couple of years of usage. Overall, this model offers a plethora of benefits on top of its affordability, so we highly recommend that you check it out if you're on a tighter budget. Electronic blenders are leagues above analog ones, so we've picked Ninja's professional BL610 blender as our best value pick. It's superior in terms of versatility due to manifold of top-shelf features it comes outfitted with, but it also packs a remarkably strong motor and a highly intuitive design. In terms of size, Ninja's professional BL610 is roughly the same as NutriBullet NBR 1201. Its actual dimensions measure 9.50 inches by 7.50 inches by 17 inches, and it weighs 7.1 pounds approximately. The design of this blender is quite amazing. Basically, it's a 64-ounce glass pitcher equipped with an ergonomic handle mounted on a small plastic base where you'll be able to find all the controls: power, pulse, low, medium, and high settings. Speaking of which, you'll get to use 3 different power settings, allowing you to customize the density of your shakes and smoothies. Furthermore, Ninja's professional BL610 is also a great icebreaker. It features 6 blades that can easily crush any kind of ingredients you put inside, including the roughest, sturdiest ice blocks. The only thing you probably won't like so much about it is that it's made of plastic materials. Although it's not flimsy per se, it will probably break if you drop it by accident a couple of times, so exercise a bit more caution while using it. On the brighter side, it comes supplied with a powerhouse motor that boasts 1000 watts. Although it's slightly louder than average, it allows for rapid blending, saving you your valuable time for other important chores or leisure. All things considered, Ninja's professional BL610 blender offers pretty much a bit of everything. It's not demanding in terms of maintenance, it has a very powerful motor, and its versatility leaves little room for improvement. If you have grown tired of your cheap budget blenders and their flimsiness and are looking for an upgrade, we recommend that you check out KitchenAid's Diamond Blender KSB 1575QG. This is a mid-price blender that is held in high regard among professional cooks due to its impeccable versatility. Basically, the Diamond Blender is an electronic blender that packs 3 nutrient absorption blades, 5 pulse settings, 5 operating modes, and rugged stainless steel construction. Its dimensions measure 8.50 inches by 9 inches by 16.5 inches, so it's pretty much in the same basket as our previous picks in terms of compactness and portability. It weighs substantially more with 10 pounds of feature-packed quality, which is not necessarily such a big downfall. Just like we've mentioned, the Diamond Blender is made of stainless steel. It's obviously built to last, and even though there are several plastic components on board, it will survive decades of use with regular maintenance. Its base is made of ultra-sturdy die-cast metal, which is nearly impervious to all kinds of physical damage. Let's briefly talk about its versatility. KitchenAid's Diamond Blender features 5 main operating modes, including stir, chop, puree, liquefy, and mix. On top of that, it also features 5 different pulse modes that can be run at the same time as one of the main operating modes. The only thing that you might not like so much about KitchenAid's Diamond Blender is its price tag. Namely, it costs slightly more than average, but without any shadow of a doubt, it offers substantially and incomparably more than any mid-price blender. It looks great, it's built like a tank, it's incredibly fast, and it's one of the finest blender models you can find on the market in 2020. When we take into account every single aspect of performance, including the blending speed, the price tag, the durability of the blender, its size and weight, and what features it comes outfitted with, we get a clear picture of where it excels and where it fails. However, that's not exactly the case with Vitamix's 5200 blender, as it practically doesn't have any flaws while performing great in every possible sphere. This is our best overall pick for a reason. It's as compact and transportable as a personal blender, it's packed with bleeding-edge technologies and features, it's as rugged as KitchenAid's Diamond Blender, and it's pretty safe to say that it has all the positives of our previous picks while leaving out all the negatives. Let's have a quick rundown of its features. The first and most notable feature of Vitamix's 5200 professional grade blender is the speed control. There's a very responsive twist knob on the base that you can use to adjust the speed levels from 1 to 10, allowing you to adapt your blender's performance to different types of ingredients. Furthermore, the knob can be used even during the blending process itself. It's not fixed, and if you accidentally start the process with wrong configurations, you can easily make adjustments on the fly. In terms of storage space, Vitamix's 5200 offers 64 ounces, which should be more than enough for a big batch of top quality smoothies and shakes. Moreover, it also sports a radial fan, as well as insulation protection, which means that it's thermally isolated, making it easier and safer to use at the same time. The Vitamix 5200 blender also rocks robust blades made of aircraft-grade steel. They were specifically designed to handle even the sturdiest, toughest types of ingredients. One of the best features of this blender is the self-cleaning mechanism. Simply fill the tank with some detergent and water, and the machine will initialize the self-cleaning process, which will approximately take 30 to 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.